If you're looking for stylish lighting online, you might have come across PendantLightie.com, a store that showcases everything from pendant lights and chandeliers to farmhouse and crystal wall sconces at prices that look pretty tempting, but the real question is it safe to shop here? On the surface, PendantLightie seems more credible than your average scam site. The domain has been active since 2021, which gives it more history than fly-by-night websites. They keep their social media active with regular posts, and they even provide multiple contact options, including a phone number, email, and a physical address. But once you start digging into actual customer reviews, the shine starts to fade. On Facebook, only around 20% of buyers recommend the store, with many reporting delayed or missing orders, refunds that were denied or only partially issued, and unhelpful customer service. Trustpilot adds more red flags, with complaints about unsafe or low-quality lighting products, incomplete orders, and items arriving broken or completely different from the advertised photos, often with no resolution offered. So while PendantLightie isn't a brand new scam, the overwhelming number of unhappy customers makes shopping here a gamble. You might get the lights you ordered, or you might end up with frustration and wasted money.